How a hair dryer and traditional Chinese medicine can keep your whole body fit. Traditional Chinese medicine warms the acupoints with moxibustion to facilitate meridian blood flow to keep a person healthy. This is Dao from Environment's Chinese Health Tips. And in today's video, we will discover how a simple blow dry and the right application can help you stay fit. In traditional Chinese medicine, improving and maintaining health often involves the burning of a type of herb close to the skin surface to apply heat. This is known as moxibustion. However, it is difficult for ordinary people to find precise acupoint when applying moxibustion. And honestly, if your surrounding is not accustomed to the strong odors that burning of these herbs can create, then you may be likely to get an awkward look from your conservative neighbors when you step outside the door. Luckily, that is an ingenious method that anyone can use to get the same results. Before we review this ingenious secret method to get moxie benefit without actually doing moxie, I just want to remind you to like and subscribe to our channel. This will heat up our hearts and motivate us to make more of these videos for you. Okay, so how can we do moxie without the needs to know the precise location of the point and still have the benefits of doing moxie? The answer is simple. Did you guess it? That's right, a hair dryer. However, a hair dryer can be used to heat the acupuncture points. This is not only simple, but the heat coverage is broader, so as long as you know the approximate location of these acupuncture points, you can quickly get started. Sun Maofeng, a leading expert on acupuncture point and dean of the College of Traditional Chinese Medicine on China Medical University in Taiwan, teaches thermotherapy with hairdryer. He noted that Chinese medicine emphasized supplementing heat for one with cold constitution and removing heat for one with hot physique. However, it is an unsuitable method for those who suffer from infection, inflammation, and hyperactive diseases. According to him, there are certain parts of the body that are perfectly suited for thermotherapy. But before we dive into these details, I just want to remind you to share this video with your friends and relatives so that more people can benefit from knowing and applying this. So which parts of the body are suitable for hairdryer thermotherapy? According to the theory of yin and yang in traditional Chinese medicine, yang generates heat, while yin is darkened and invisible. For example, the back is yang, while the abdomen is yin. Therefore, certain parts and acupoints on the yin side are suitable for hairdryer thermotherapy, such as the dantian area below the belly button and the yongquan point on the sole of the foot. However, sometimes you can also apply heat to the yang side of the body. It really depends on the symptoms. For example, warming some acupoints on the back of people who are generally weaker in health and who has cold constitutions can increase the yang. In Chinese medicine, the yin and yang needs to be balanced. So if you have a yin body, otherwise known as cold constitution, you are prone to being easily fatigued, inactive, and resented cold weather. Therefore, increasing the yang with the hairdryer on your back might help. However, a few things to take note. When turning on the hairdryer, you must first measure the temperature and the distance from the skin. Dr. Sun also said the temperature of the hairdryer is high, so as to be careful not to burn. Some special conditions may lead to overheating. For example, diabetes patients can be insensitive to heat, so be careful when you are trying this. If you are getting your family members to do this, they may not know how the person feels when applying hairdryer thermotherapy, so make sure you go slow and keep adjusting the heat. Also, before applying the hairdryer thermotherapy for anyone, you need to know 4 critical points. It is not advised to apply hairdryer thermotherapy on sensitive skin area such as face, eyes, and nose. Everyone has different tolerance to heat, and the wattage of the hairdryer is also different. Therefore, you need to adjust the blowing time and distance according to what you feel comfortable with. Conditions suitable for applying hairdryer thermotherapy including people with chronic disease, young deficiency bodies, and those with cold constitution, and on-body parts with yin, such as stomach. Conditions unsuitable for applying hairdryer thermotherapy includes those with infection and inflammatory diseases, wounds, hyperactive diseases, heat constitution. Some indications of this is when you have dry mouth, red complexions, and dry stools. You can use hairdryer on various spots from the head to the feet. Chronic soreness, allergies, physical pains, gastrointestinal function, and immunity can all be improved by warming certain points. Let me go through some of the common points for you. Bai Hui point helps you reduce dizziness and headache due to deficiency and cold. Tian Tu point aids chronic and allergic cough. Dan Tian helps you alleviate physical pain. Tan Zhong point can help you reduce chest tightness and shortness of breath. The navel can improve gastrointestinal ailments. Su San Li points help you strengthen the immunity system. That's all for today. If you like our tips, remember to subscribe and like our videos. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.